Hey frenzies, we got some nails on. Ooh, we went from gross to like red. I already feel pretty stunning, pretty beautiful.
Why don't you stay? I know it's late, but I'm feeling great, and you feel the same. So why don't you stay? I need you to stay.
Hey guys, it's Rush here, or Angel, whatever works best for you. And today I'm going to show you guys how to put on press-on nails with no damage to your natural nails. This is a really unique way that I've put them on that worked for me. I recently put on 2 short videos of my nails that lasted nearly like 4 weeks. These will have your nails on for 4 weeks. They would not budge. Even when I soaked them off, it was a mission and a half. And I think I perfected the trick a little bit. I will say my nails are shorter now. I cut them and these are longer nails, and I do think that the nails that are closest to your natural nail length will adhere better just because they have more support. So we'll see how long these last. I'll be sure to let you guys know in the comments. But I'm super excited. I actually wanted to use the Sally Hansen one it's called Spacing Out. I'll put them here. These were super cute, but when I put them on in store and I was testing them out, because you can test them, they looked just a little tacky, and the nude didn't feel like it matched me very well. Then I saw a TikTok, literally after I bought these, I saw a TikTok of the girl wearing them and they looked beautiful. Again, I posted TikToks and shorts of my nails. I will link those down below. People were asking, so I was like, let me just do the video because this technique I've never seen before and it's super cool. It's a Sunday, it's a self-care wind down day. I'm here looking a little crazy, and that's okay. Because y'all are my girls. It's like a sleepover, you know? So let's just get into the video. My tried and true that I think made these last so long is as simple as a nail brush. I got this from Sally's beauty supply store. You can get them literally anywhere. Obviously, before you put on nails and stuff, you should wash your hands. But this helped me so much. You know how they say to buff your nails to get all the oils out? This is kind of my replacement for buffing, just because the buffing has always fucked up my nails. To keep it real, they make my nails super thin, and that's why I hate putting nails on. But this is the solution. It scrubs off all the oils. Make sure to scrub really well on your natural nails, and this is the way, and it dries out your nails and cleans them, and then you can just get right into putting on your nails. That's literally how I did it, and they lasted a long time. My nail press-ons, at least for me, they're always a little iffy because you just never know. I got these red press-on nails, and these are what color are these? Sap Apple. Cute, that's a cute name. And also when it comes to these nails, actually, they come with adhesives and nail glue, which is why I like them, because they come with everything. I'm not sponsored, by the way, I freaking wish. But what I will say, I use both. I don't know if people typically do that. Usually they say to pick one. I use both. Adhesives, I would not use. If you're gonna use one, at least just use the freaking glue. But I found that using both works the absolute best, in my opinion. So it also comes with a little, the cuticle pusher, so push back your cuticles. Mine are pretty good. For some reason, when I use this, it does the job for any type of prep that I have to do. So my cuticles are fine for the most part, so I'm not gonna really worry about that. These look really freaking good. I used white last time and they looked super natural. I'm hoping these look the same, but it really is just about finding your perfect match for your nails. This is the hard part. If it goes over a little, I actually recommend filing that down just to make them more of a perfect fit. All right, these are all my little nailsy lined up, and I'm thinking, now that I have them set up, I'm thinking that I'm going to cut them into a coffin shape, because I think these nails are too long for me. I work with little kiddos and I'm not trying to poke them all in the eye and scratch them, because I think these are too pointy. This was a better match because now I don't have to worry about messing up the design or anything. Next up is Sally Hansen comes with these little alcohol pad just to clean up everything that is on my nails. Just to, again, make sure that all the oils are gone, and make sure not to touch your nails at all after you're done. You don't want any oils in your nails. So now this is when my technique might be a little different from others. I'm not sure. But what I do is I take these and I kind of measure them out on my fingers. and I put these little stickies on. This is what works best for me. I kind of go one by one because this can be a little bit of a process, but I use my little stick for assistance. Try your best not to touch them because once you touch them, the stickiness wears off a little bit, and that's what we're trying not to do. I peeled it off. This is the sticky part here, if you guys can see. There you go. That's like the little sticky part, and I'm going to just put that straight on my thumb. Again, I try my best. I just touch the flap. I try my best not to touch this because when you touch this, it takes off the sticky. If you just want to use these, just know they do not last very long. To make sure it has coated my whole nail, and then I also take scissors, and if there's excess, I cut them off the excess because I'm not trying to have like this like sticky tab hanging off my nails. But I just do that, and I'm gonna actually put them on all my nails just to make my life really easy. This is gonna be a super easy process. The tabs are still on there, and I'm gonna pull them off once I'm ready to stick on a nail. We got all our tabs on. These are my 5 fingernails, and we're gonna put them on one by one. This is my nail, and I'm going to use the glue, and this is the nail that fits my nail, if that makes sense. So I'm going to take this and just double check to make sure it fits. So they definitely fit. So I'm going to peel off the little tab. Remember the tab? We have tweezers I'm going to use to peel off the tab. We're actually struggling, it's not coming off. So I think I encountered this problem last time. Taking off these tabs sometimes can be a little annoying. Okay, so we peeled off the tab. The whole thing is exposed, yay. Okay, so now you see it's a glossy, beautiful mess. You can put the nail on if you want, but I'm going to be using the nail glue that comes with it. That's what I'm talking about. Comes off nice and fast, and I'm just putting it all over the tab. It's not touching my natural nail. And this is also how we get no damage. We start at the base, make sure it's straight, and then we're going to push. There we go, and hold. And I'm just gonna hold maybe like 5 seconds. Last time I didn't hold it at all, but this time I'm gonna hold it because I want it to be perfect. This one has a curve to it, so it does feel a little different, but we got one nail on. The thumbs are always really weird, I feel like, because sometimes they can fit not very well. Again, pulling this off. We're gonna just tap that one in, tap, tap, tap. Put the nail, just the glue on the nail. I mean on the tab, not on the nail, on the tab. Then we're going to go from base and push. Oh my gosh, these are monstrous. All right, we got one hand done. I'll be back when we're done the second. Oh my gosh, it's like a boy holding a girl's hand. Yeah, thanks babe. Ew! So I'm struggling. These are so long. I can't do anything with them. Like, they're extremely long. I can't. I just have the shortest nails ever, and these nails are too long, and they're sharp, but they're cute. But we're gonna cut them. I have a nail cutter, and I don't know how sharp we're gonna go, but right now we're just gonna. I already feel 1,000 times better and 1,000 times lighter. Here we go. This is them. These are what they look like. What do y'all think? I think they look way better. If you think they look better before, I'm sorry I couldn't do it. I would 100% have stabbed my children in the eye that I work with, and it's just not worth it. It's not worth it. These are way better, and they're way comfortable, and like can actually touch things. Before, like touching things, it was just too much. But yeah, how are we feeling? Let's get back up here. I hope that kind of helped you guys a little bit and just made the process simple and easy. This is what they look like up close. Looks nothing, looks like this. I think they look beautiful. The only thing I'm struggling with right now is I hate when like my nail shows, and you can see right here, the side of my nail is showing, and like when I push it, it kind of goes away, but I'm fixing that right now by putting more glue and holding that down because I don't like that. It makes me annoyed, but we're doing red today, honey guys. I don't know how I feel about like this full-on red. I feel like it feels kind of weird, but we're rocking with it. And now like I just want to talk about quickly, now look at me. I'm like, oh my gosh, look at my nails. Ugh. No, but really now I want to talk about just how I maintain these nails. Let me take these glasses off because they're actually annoying me. How I maintain these nails and how I had kept them so long. The number one thing is avoiding water. That is the number one thing. Obviously when you shower, shower girl. But when you get your nails in water, making sure that afterwards you are fully drying them, whether with a hair dryer or just I get a towel and I just like hold my hands there and let the towel absorb as much water as possible. You do not want water because water is what's going to loosen up the glue. When you wash dishes like me, I use gloves to wash my dishes when I have nails on. And that's like the main tip I can give you is water, water, water. Just making sure when you're washing your hands just to thoroughly dry them, and after your showers to thoroughly dry your hands and your nails, focusing on the drying of the nails. Even like I said, even if you gotta use a blow dryer underneath those nails, girl, make sure to dry. I really just use a towel underneath the nails, especially because water gets trapped in there. Also, as you would your regular nails, don't put so much pressure on your press-ons. I do, the shorter ones I did, but I think with these ones, like I won't be like scratching with these nails. Instead, I'll be using like the balls of my fingers, of my fingertips, and just kind of focusing on that instead of like putting all the pressure on my nails, because that will get them to pull and snag. And that's really it. You also just don't want water to go in these anyway because it can cause mold. We'll see how long these last. For some reason, I'm not as optimistic as before, but we shall see. I think they look cute. I like them. I hope you guys like them too. But that is how I got that is how last time and this time now, I think I perfected my technique, but that is how I get my press-ons to last a month. Save yourself some money, girl. Literally, save yourself. You can get these at Walmart and you can save yourself a lot of money, honey. A lot of money, honey, hello. And you can do them yourself and they look just as cute at the salon, and they, come on. Give it a try and see how it goes. If you don't like it, you don't like it, and that's good, but you can save your pockets. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so, so, so much. Mwah. And if you don't know, I post shorts Monday, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, and I post new videos every Wednesdays. Bye guys. Bye.
Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.